CP24, Toronto's breaking news.
Welcome back with a closer look at today's business news and headlines. We're joined live in studio by Darren Farwell, Director of Farwell Wealth Management at Scotia McLeod. Good to see you. Happy Friday.
Thank you.
All right, so some good news. The market is up 103 points today. The bad news is the market is down 31 over the week. What's going on?
Well, in fact, a strong gain today helped recover a lot of those gains from earlier in the week, losses earlier in the week. What had happened earlier is that people were starting to wonder about what kind of growth we'd get out of China. They reduced forecasts for growth. We got some mixed data out of the United States. Less demand around the world means less demand for our commodities, so stock prices go down. But today, everything reversed itself. We had higher gold prices today. We had higher bank stocks. We had higher copper prices. And oil was higher as Iran continues to threaten that they're going to cut off some oil supplies.
All right, let's talk about the inflation rate. Canada's annual inflation rate, it rose for the second consecutive month. So what does that mean exactly for consumers?
Yeah, well, besides paying $1.32 at the pump, which is likely to continue, what it means is as long as we keep seeing that inflation rate above the government's targeted inflation rate of 2%, it likely means that higher interest rates, higher borrowing costs, which means a higher mortgage rate, may come sooner than later.
Ouch. Okay, before we let you go, what should we look for next week?
Well, next week, interestingly, we've got RIM is going to announce earnings on Thursday. We're all anxious to see just what the short-term sales are for RIM as we wait for their transition into the new BlackBerry 10 device. So our eyes are on RIM on Thursday.
Absolutely. All right, Darren, thanks so much. Have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Well, up next, a story you have to see. A reporter in Memphis